Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. Come, let's learn to make food a medicine. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to get more healthy recipes. Today we are presenting a simple and easy to make protein-rich chickpea salad recipe. Let's see the ingredients. Chickpeas 1 cup 125 grams. Diced apple 1 cup 100 grams. Diced cucumber 1 cup 100 grams. Grated carrot 1/4 cup 50 grams. Diced onion 1/4 cup 50 grams. Diced tomatoes 1/2 cup 100 grams. Finely chopped green chilies 3 20 grams. Finely chopped cilantro 10 grams. Finely chopped mint 10 grams. Lemon 1. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Thoroughly rinse and soak the chickpeas for about 8 hours. Transfer the soaked chickpeas in a pressure cooker and cook for 4 whistles on a high flame, and let the chickpeas cool down in the cooker without opening the lid. Strain the water and transfer the cooked chickpeas into a mixing bowl. Add some tomatoes, diced cucumber, diced onion, grated carrots, diced apple, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped cilantro, finely chopped mint leaves. Sprinkle some black pepper, and finally squeeze a lemon. Mix the salad well with spoons and enjoy the deliciously healthy chickpea salad. Thanks for watching Natural Healthy Cooking.